Welcome to all of you on my channel IELTS at Home. My name is Naprit Kaur, your host and guide. So today we will learn to solve MCQs in listening section and part 3. There are different type of MCQs in IELTS listening, but today we will discuss only one type and other types will be discussed in upcoming videos. So without any further delay, let's start. First tip to solve MCQ is that read the instruction. So what is the instruction in this image? Choose two letters A to E and then read the question statement carefully, circle or underline the important keywords. So what are the keywords in this question? Which two characteristics were shared by the subjects of Joanna's psychology study? So characteristic, subject, Joanna, psychology study, these all are keywords. After that, read the options and mark the keywords. And one thing is common in all the option, that is all. And apart from this, rest is your option. Underline the keywords from this. Read the A option, that is all won prizes for their music. Second, all made music recordings. Third, all under 27-year-old. Third, fourth, all toured internationally. And fifth, all played a string instrument. So you need to keep in your mind all these options along with the question keywords. And read the next question. Which 2 points does Joanna make about her use of telephone interview? Here you need to find out the two opinions of Joanna about the telephone interview. Her opinion may be like that she could collect the rich data, or second is involvement of top performers, or maybe her opinion is that it led to be a stressful atmosphere at time, or it meant interview times had to be limited, or it caused some technical problems. So out of these 5 options there are any two which are correct. For this, listen the audio and have concentration on options too. Eliminate the options which the speaker speak but are not exactly the same. I mean whose sense is not same or which are opposite. These are just distraction. Try to avoid them. Now I am going to play the listening audio for question number 21 and 22. After that I will explain what are the hints.
Good to meet you. Now, before we discuss your new research project, I'd like to hear something about the psychology study you did last year for your master's degree. So, how did you choose your subjects for that?
Well, I had 6 subjects, all professional musicians and all female. 3 were violinists, and there was also a cello player and a pianist and a flute player. They were all very highly regarded in the music world, and they'd done quite extensive tours in different continents, and quite a few had won prizes and competitions as well.
And they were quite young, weren't they?
Yes, between 25 and 29. The mean was 27.8. I wasn't specifically looking for artists who'd produced recordings, but this is something that's just taken for granted these days, and they all had.
You have listened the conversation carefully. They talked about the subjects of Joanna's, and Joanna said that 3 were the violinist, and there was also a cello player, a pianist, and a flute player. And you know that a flute doesn't have a string, so option E is wrong. And also she said that they had done quite extensive tours in different continents. It means option D is correct. They had all done tour internationally. And then they talked about the prizes. She said that quite a few had won prizes. It means option A is wrong, where it is written that they had all won prizes. And after that they talked about the age, which is between 25 and 29, but here it is written that in option C they were all under 27-year-old. Even the mean was 27.8. It means that's wrong. And after that they would talk about the recordings. Here it is written that they had all made music recordings, but in the audio the speaker said that she was not looking for artists who had produced recordings, but this is something that's just taken for granted these days, and they all had. It means they all had the music recordings, so option B is correct. So its answer is option B and D.
Now, you collected your data through telephone interviews, didn't you?
Yes. I realised if I was going to interview leading musicians, it'd only be possible over the phone because they're so busy. I recorded them using a telephone recording adapter. I'd been worried about the quality, but it worked out all right. I managed at least a 30-minute interview with each subject, sometimes longer.
Did doing it on the phone make it more stressful?
I'd thought it might. It was all quite informal though, and in fact they seemed very keen to talk. And I don't think using the phone meant I got less rich data. Rather the opposite, in fact.
In this audio, firstly, they talked about that it's possible to interview the leading musician. It means B option is correct, where it is written that it allowed the involvement of top performers. And after that, they talked about that she was worried about the quality of recording, but everything was okay. And she managed at least 30-minute interview with each subjects and sometimes longer. Here the two options they talked about, one is a technical problem, there was no technical problem, and another is that it D option is also wrong, where it is written that the interview times had to be limited, but she talked about that interview goes sometime longer, so there was no problem in that. So D or E option is wrong also. And then supervisor asked her, did doing it on the phone make it more stressful? She said that I would thought it might. It was all quite informal though. In fact, they seemed very keen to talk. It means the subjects were interested to talk with her. So there was no problem. I mean, the environment or atmosphere was not stressful. So option C is wrong. And the last option is A, where it is written that it meant rich data could be collected. And she also said that and I don't think using the phone meant I got less rich data, rather the opposite. Rather the opposite means she get more data rather than less data. So these are the options. Option A and B are the correct answers. Here in the MCQs, you just need your full concentration and you need to keep in your mind the keywords of question as well as option. If you have these things in your mind, then your MCQs will be correct. Otherwise, there is no chance. Thank you all for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share and watch my other videos too.